na may pagpumuli sa international scene ang talentong Pinoy dahil just a week ago, isang Filipino group ang nag-champion po sa international category ng A Cappella Championships 2024 na ginanap po yan sa Singapore.
Nga malalaman, no? Mas kilalanin muna natin sila. Magandang umaga sa iyo, Faith De La Cruz, member ng Escolias. Welcome dito sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas. This is Prof. Faith together with Diane. Good morning.
Good morning and of course, congratulations sa wala nung pakiramdam po na kayo po ay nanalo dito sa A Cappella Championships 2024 at kamusta po yung inyo pong naging competition at journey po ninyo?
Feel so blessed. We feel so blessed sa pagkapanalo namin. And we feel even more blessed kasi ang dami po namin nakuhang suporta sa journey namin throughout our competition journey. So, from our families, our friends, and hanggang sa Filipino community sa SG, ang dami po naming pinagdaanan po talaga, lalo na po financially kasi hindi po biro ang mag-compete internationally, lalo na po SG, no? Singapore. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta po sa amin. We won't be here without your prayers and support po.
Well, last 2020 ay binisita niyo na rin kami noon dito sa RSP dahil sa pagkapanalo niyo rin sa online talent competition ng Philippines-Korea Cultural Exchange Festival. At ngayon nga ay mas dumami pa ang achievements ninyo. Paano ba kayo naghahanda kapag sumasali kayo sa mga competition?
So, we have to condition ourselves po, of course, by selecting the right songs that will showcase the sound of our group and showcase the Filipino talent. Now, then comes the arrangement. One of our members will arrange for us. And then, after po nun, madugong practice, no? Matagal na practice, and we will add revisions along the way po. Then internalization, no? Internalization plays a big part po, no? Kasi ang pagkanta lang po won't get us far. We have to internalize the music and be creative so we can get into character and shape our sound the way we want it po.
Ano ba yung mga struggles or challenges ng isang a cappella group, no? Or being in an a cappella group? Kasi akala nung iba baka madali lang, pero for sure ay marami kayong mga rehearsals at practice na ginagawa para kumbaga in harmony, no? Yung bawat miyembro.
Yes po. Mahirap po siya, mahirap po. Especially, you're in a group, no? So you would deal with different kinds of voices and personalities. But that's what makes it unique. No? You get to share your talent with different people and you create a collective output and create unity within diversity. And hindi po kasi masyadong mainstream ang a cappella. No? So that's why we aim to perform on a bigger stage, no? So that we can showcase our talent and with our voice, may we reach thousands of people.
Ayun. Well, we will also wanna know paano kayo nag-aareglo ng yung songs. Kasi kanina minensyon mo yung placements na meron yung bawat grupo. And alam mo, kapag ganito yung mga nakikitang mga videos online, talagang maraming mga Pilipino ang talaga namamangha dito. So on your end, ano ba ang uniqueness na meron ang grupo ninyo at kung bakit patuloy na dapat ang kilikin at mapunta pa sa big stage ang inyong grupo?
So, nag-arrange po talaga sa amin is our tenor one, which is James Conde. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo. Now, what I like about James po, no, kasi siya po yung nag-arrange. No? He listens to us, no, and he's open to ideas outside his perspective. So, nagiging personalized po yung arrangement just for our group. No, kaya nagiging unique siya. Unlike other group po kasi na kunyari choir, may mga sabay-sabay silang kumakanta ng isang part. In a cappella, well, in our group, no, talagang individual po ang parts. No, we have no room for mistakes, kaya yun po yung mahirap. Pero it's so fun. It's so fun to make music. No? Lalong-lalo na po, ang ganda ng arrangement. talents. Ayun po.
Alright, what's next sa Escolas? May mga nakaline up pa ba kayo ng mga competitions na sasalihan? Or saan ba kayo rin pwedeng mapanood yung inyong mga performances?
So, as of now, nagpapahinga po muna kami and hopefully magkaroon kami ng other opportunities, no, to showcase our talents, no. For the competition, we aim to do more international competitions, and if meron naman po locally, hopefully meron, siguro sasali kami. But for now, yeah, ang goal namin is to do more international competitions. Hopefully next year, yeah.
Ayan. Ano naman mga advices sa pwede mo i-partake sa ating mga ka-RSP na gustong sumali o bumuo ng isang a cappella group?
So, ang mapapayo ko po siguro or namin, no, based on experience is communicate. No? Voice out your concerns, voice out your dreams and wants for the group. No? Para on the same page po kayo palagi. And don't give up. No? Believe as one, no? Dream as one, sing as one, because the bond, the music, the experience you create would definitely leave a mark sa mga manonood, makikinig at susuporta.
Well, thank you so much, Faith, for sharing your story and journey ng Escolas. Congratulations sa buong grupo ninyong Escolas. Maraming salamat.